Very good morning, students. Last class we have explained about higher means that is rational number. First chapter we have revised. Now we have to revise second chapter, that is power and exponents. Means how first of all we have to revise what is exponents and laws of exponents, and then for each law we have to see the example how we'll solve some questions, and then we have to revise scientific form and standard form of any number. We have to convert any number into scientific number or any scientific number into a standard number. Okay, first of all we have to revise definition of power and exponent. So it is a exponent if any number is written in form of like this a n, means a to the power n. We have to read like this, a is raised to the power n. You can read like this also. Is called exponents. Means for example like this 2 to the power 3, or you can say 2 raised to the power 3, or 4 to the power minus 3, and 1 upon 2 the whole power 3. So 2 is called base and 3 is called power. So here a power n is written. It means a power n means a is base. A is called base and n is called power. Okay, power means whatever this one below part, that is base, and upper part power. Okay, so now after then we have to revise laws of exponents. Some exponents has some different laws. So how will simplify using laws of exponents? So just you see here, first law is if base is same and multiplication is given, then we have to add the power. Means it will add, means a power m multiply a power n, then answer will come a is a raised to the power m plus n, like this. If question is given in division, a power m divide a power n, then we have to subtract, means it will come a m minus n, like this. Okay, now third one, if question is written like this, a power 0, means something power 0. If something power 0, answer is always 1. You have to remember. Okay, so something power 0, answer is always 1. Now fourth one, if question is written like this, a power minus m and a power minus n upon, means fraction is given and both are negative. If you want to convert into positive, so just you take reciprocal of this, means it will go upper and this will go down, means a power n upon a power m will come. Okay, so we have to follow this type of process. After then, sometimes question is written like this, a power m and whole power n. Then in this case 2 power is there, so we have to multiply this both power if you remove this small bracket. So question is, then answer is like this, a to the power m into n. Okay, means both power will be multiplied. So next one, next 6, if question is written like this, square root of 1 upon a, like this, it means it is a power of 1 upon 2. Okay, means 1 upon a power is 1 upon 2. Square root means power is 1 upon 2. Now 6, 7, if 1 upon a, here written is cubic root. So it means power 1 upon a is power 1 upon 3. So 1 upon a whole power is 1 upon 3. So you have to use this type of laws of exponent in the question. Now next our topic is, we have to do some simplification part using the power and exponent. Always you remember, if something power 0, always 1. You have to remember this. This will be very useful. Okay. Next one is some question. I will write some question and explain how use this, whatever laws I have explained right now, how you will use in the question. Okay. So just question is written simplify or question is written evaluate, sometimes write like this. So just you see here 3 power 7 into 5 power 7 3 power 5. Here just you see base is 3 and power is 7 and 5. So you have to write down 3 power 7 plus 5 means it will come 3 power 12. So this is the answer. Okay, means I have added both the power because base is same and multiplication is there, so we have to add. If question is like this, 3 power 7 divide 3 power 5, in this case we have to subtract, okay, because division is there, so power will be separate. 3 power 7 minus 5 means it will come 3 power 2. So question is 3 power 2, 3 into 3. You can write the final answer also, you can write in power also. Okay, next one, third. If sometimes written 100 power 0, it means something, I have explained something power 0. So whatever base is there but power is 0, it means answer is 1 only. Okay, whatever base is given but if power is 0, then answer is always 1. Either it is 1000 or lakh, whatever, but power is 0, then answer is 1. Okay, next, if question is like this 1 upon 3 power minus 4, we have to convert in positive power, so we have to take a reciprocal of this, means 3 power 4 upon 1. So final answer is 3 power 4. Just you see here positive power is there, so this is the answer. Okay, if question is written like this 2 power 4 and whole power 8, so we have to simplify, means both power will multiply, means 2 power 4 into 8, it will come 2 power 32. Okay, so this is the answer. So like that you have to follow whatever given in the exercise, you have to follow same. Now we have to do the next, our topic is, that is standard, whatever standard, and means standard convert any number into scientific form or scientific to standard. How will convert? You have to follow some process. I will explain that process, how will convert. Okay, so just you see here scientific notation. Scientific notation. Scientific notation means if any number is written like this, if any number is written like this, m into 10 to the power m, where m belongs to 1 to less than 10, okay, and n should be any integer, n is any integer. Okay, means for example sometimes written like this 3.1 into 10 power 6, sometimes question written 2.45 into 10 to the power minus 3. So just you see here, this type of number is called scientific notation. So this one are the scientific, means this one is m and 10 to the power 6 means this one is n. Again this one is m and 10 to the minus 3 is n. So it will be negative integer also and positive integer also. Okay, so now we have to learn the process, learn the method how to convert any number into scientific notation. So if question is given, just you see here convert into scientific notation. Scientific notation. In scientific notation means just you, first one is given question 3200000. If this type of number is given, we have to convert into scientific notation. So how will convert? we have to write down like this, okay, means in 10 power something. Just you see here, how many digits are there after 3? 5 digits are there. So we want to put point here. So how will put point? This is the main problem. Means 5 digits are there. So just you write on 3.2. And if you want, you can write 0, 0, 0, 0 also. Then if point is came here, means that is 10 power 5 will come. Because 5 digit I have shifted this point to here. So in between 5 digits are there, that's why I came here 10 power 5. If 4 digits are there, then the power will come 4. If 2 digits are there, then power will come 2. So now if you want, you can remove this 0, there will be no value of this 0. So answer is 3.2 into 10 power 5. Same. So this is the method to convert any number into scientific notation. Now I will take next other example also. Just you see here second part that is 0.00078. We have to convert this decimal number into scientific number. So how we'll do? Now point is this side. Now we have to put point from this side to this side. But in previous question, point there is no any point, means it means point is here. Then I have shifted from this to this position. So in this case point power is positive, but in this case power will come negative. That depends on how many digits we have shifted. Here we want to shift this point to after 7. So here 4 digits are there, then it will come 10 power minus 4. Means 7.8 into 10 to the power minus 4 will come. Okay. So this is our scientific notation. Next, third one, you can take third part also. So 0.435 like this. If question is given right like this, now we have to convert into scientific notation. Then just we have to shift this point to after 4 only, means 1 digit will come. So we have to write down like this 4.35 into 10 power minus 1. So this is our scientific notation. Next, we have to, after reciprocal of this, means question is given in scientific notation, we have to convert into standard form. Means second part, that is convert into usual number, or you can say a standard number. Usual number means scientific number is given, we have to convert into usual number. Means just see here 2.301 into 10 to the power 5 is given. We have to convert into standard number, means like this. We have to convert like this. This type of question is given, we have to convert like this. So as you see here 2.301 10 power 5 means 10, it's 50 will come. 10 power 5 means 50 will come. Now we have to multiply both. Then you can multiply 2301. Now you have to put 50 in place of this. And then decimal, means 3 digits are there. So decimal will come after 3 digits. So final answer is 230100. Now remove these zeros. Next question, if question is given in power is minus, in minus, so how will do? If second part 4.3223 and 1 maybe 10 to the power minus 4 will be given. Now we have to convert into usual number. So how will do? Just write down 4.221 and now upon 10 power 4, because minus power is there. So we want to convert into positive power, that's why I have taken reciprocal, means it went in this denominator part. Now write down 4.221, so it will come 100040 will come, it's 10,000. Now we want to convert into decimal this whole fraction into decimal, because decimal already there. It will shift some position, means here 4 digits are there, 4 zeros are there, so it will shift 4 digits. Means you have to write down 4221 and here 4 1 digit are there. Now we want to put decimal after 4 digit, then 30 we have to put by on self, means this point will come here. So final answer is 0.000422 1. Like this you have to do in the exercise whatever is given. That's all.